Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to make faceless TikTok videos. So guys, in this video, I will be using Opus Clip to make a faceless video. So just simply go to Opus Pro and just simply sign up if you don't have an account or log in over here. So now once you have created an account and log in, just simply go ahead and go to YouTube and select one of the video that you prefer to make a faceless. And now go to Opus Clip. So from here, just simply drop the video link. And as you can see, it supports YouTube, Google Drive, Venmo, Zoom. So it will be depending on you. Or you can just simply upload the video manually over here if it's downloaded. And now just simply click on Get Free Clips. And now just simply wait for it to load up. And from here, just simply click on Get Clips in one click. And you can select a speech language as well. Now guys, once you have done that, you can just simply go ahead and wait for it to load up over here. Now guys, once it is done, you can just simply click on it over here. And from here guys, as you can see, you will have here clips that is provided by Opus Clip. And now you can just simply go ahead and click on edit clip over here on the right side, and you should be able to edit it out, and you can add a b-roll over here as well guys by just simply clicking on this auto b-roll. And as you can see, when we play on it, we should be able to have something like this. And now guys, from here on the right side of the screen, you can go for caption and you can edit your caption over here. So it is a very detailed way in order for you to change it based on your preferences. And now once you are done, just make sure to click on save changes. And now just simply go back in the top left corner of the screen, and you can just simply go ahead and download the HD version over here. And now as you can see, this will pop up and you can just simply select a location where you will download it. And as you can see, when we open up the file, this will be the output. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.